Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Inniswold, local and long-distance movers near me. There are many instances when people move to different nations. It would be extremely difficult to carry their items to that country. Often, they try to carry the items on their own, which results in extra charges, such as heavy-duty charges. In such a case, it's always recommended to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. We are a team of highly professional and trained staff that works day and night for the betterment of their clients. To contact us, all you need to do is drop a mail or call us on the contact number. Sometimes, when you want to move to a nearby location like a nearby city, to save money, you often carry the items on your own, which results in a wastage of precious time and money. In such a case, hiring a professional mover is always recommended. We, a team of professional moving staff, are trained in handling delicate items like a piano to heavy materials such as a piece of furniture, so you don't have to worry about your items once they get dispatched. We also ensure the timely delivery of your items at the right location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Inniswold moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.